Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So in this video I'm gonna teach you how to hack that dar2019.com, which is very trending now. And so if you want to answer all of the questions, personal questions of your friend, and make him impressed and get the number one position in the leaderboard, you must need this hack, right? So let's get started. And so now here we are in this URL which was given by my friend. So let's click on start, and here's the first question. And to answer this question we have to go to the developer tools. Okay, now we got the developer tools, and now as you can see that when I hover my mouse on each one of the line, different parts of the web page are selected. As you can see, when I hover the mouse on the line pure U-11-12, the choices, which means that images, are getting selected. So we want that class. So now I am going to click on that class. Inside that class we have to select only the image. So here it is, another one. Likewise we have to choose, and so inside that there is another one line. There is a table, so we have to click on that, and inside that there is a table body, and inside that there is a table row, and in this table row we can clearly see the correct answer and the incorrect answer. So if you place the mouse on the correct answer, that one will be highlighted, and the incorrect answer, the another one will be highlighted. So after knowing the correct answer, you just have to click on the thing, and then you can answer it correctly. Now I'm just going to fast forward the video so that you can see the final results. And now for this question, and I'm going to voluntarily answer it wrong because you guys have to see how it works, like. As you can see, we can answer all the questions, waiting for result. Yeah, here it is. We got 15 out of 15. We got 14, and here you can see my name in the leaderboard, scoring 14. That's it for today, guys. If you really enjoyed my video, please like, share and subscribe. Let's meet in another video shortly.
Tell me pretty lies, look me in the face, tell me that you love me, even if it's fake.